To Awesome Physio YouTube channel. Today's video is looking at how to foam roller the quadriceps muscles. We now want to stretch and foam roller through the quadriceps muscles, attaching below the knee and up into the hip area and just slightly below. So we want to target both attachments. We want to place the foam roller just above the knee, bending the other leg and letting your body weight drop down. What you're going to do is push your body weight back, gently foam rolling through the quads and then coming back up. So you want to aim between 10 to 15 rolls. To get higher, we can just move the foam roller up, drop the body weight down into the upper attachment, into the hip, and target the upper fibres as well. And again, if there's a point that's particularly tender, we can just hold it in that position, fixing in that position, and then continuing to move. Good, nice slow and controlled movement.